Welcome back everybody to Tony's Top Tips Workshop. This is a quick video. It's I've just done a recent print, and I'd done the previous video where I tested the Bambu Lab's 3 printers that I have, A1, A1 Mini and the X1C, and they're absolutely superb printers. And I thought what I'll do is I'll do the test with the set of drawers that I print, all clipped together. You can secure them with screws if you want to side, but it does hold itself. And of course the test on this would be if I printed all the different parts on the different printers. Now what I did was I printed, to show you this, I printed one side. It took some doing because I had to change the plates and everything, and the colours, because I didn't have all the same colours for the prints, so I had to swap and change them. So it tested that. I printed one side on the X1C, one side on the A1, top mini, feet done different. They were all the parts were done differently. The clip that holds the drawers in, top done on A1 Mini, and bottom done on the A1. And I also swapped round, did the same top minus on the minus the handle. The handles were done all on the A1 Mini, but the others I needed to swap them about because I needed to test the printing and the accuracy. Because if even the rails, they're all printed differently. On one rail were printed X1, another rail printed on the A1, and vice versa, A1 Mini. So none of the parts were doubled up. They're all printed separate. It took me a bit of time to do it actually over the course of it, and then the proof of the pudding was actually would it all snap together. The drawers, I'll get you the drawers. Just tilt it down a bit. The drawers, you can tell the magnets, and they hold the actual cut down. I cut the sides off the inserts that you get with the A1 and the A1 Mini for the accessory kit, and the magnets, and the bottom drawer carries the tools. It's just got the labels on. I was going to print the names on the front, but I thought nah, it's be a waste of plastic. And as you can see inside there, all the rails, the back rails, the inserts, the same as the print that I actually did. I used it for the actual AR11 collets. That's where I got the idea from. I want something up here that I could actually use for putting all the accessories in, because I've some spare hot ends, hardened steel, because they're both the same for the A1 Mini. So I just bought some, because you never know when you're going to get a problem with a nozzle. You can swap straight out, but when you look inside there, you can see how it clips in and out. Now I've got screws on that, like I showed you on the AR11 collet ones, but you don't have to put them in. You can just clip them together. It holds together fine. And that's one of the things when you're playing around with multiple printers, is the fact that the tolerance is the same on all the printers, and I've found out no difference. The actual the quality of the fit, whichever, I would not know that which printer, some of the parts, I mixed them all up. I didn't want to look at see what I wanted to know whether they fit. They all fit perfectly. I hadn't cleaning up to do, no adjusting. They fit perfectly. I were amazed. And it's the quality of the manufacturing of the printer, and the full, and also with the studio, I was swapping from one print, sending it to the print, clicking to the next, going to the next printers, watching this. It took me about a day just to actually print all the individual parts, because normally I would put in a lot of the parts together, but I didn't want to do that because I wanted to prove the fit, and it's proven exceptionally good. And the other thing that it tested is I had a couple of runouts. I had one on the A1 and I had one on the X1C, filament out. No issues in printing, just that the print had stopped, filament out. And you can just see these were printed, the drawers were printed in PLA basic matte, but I didn't have any more, so I had to put obviously it's a bit shinier is the new one, PSA base, and as you can see on that one, you can see, and just see if I can show you the layer lines on that. Just pull the light over a bit more. You can just see there on that one the difference, and I didn't realise it had run out. I come up here 3/4 an hour later, it had to one side filament out, and I thought, oh, no, and it were nearly, well, obviously we were part way most of the way through the job, bottom layer. And what I eventually did was I just went downstairs, got a new refill, put it in what I had, and put it on, press go, and lo and behold, after 3/4 an hour it just carried on, and that's the result of it. Obviously that's on a textured PAI plate, so, and I had to swap the plates over to get smooth, because I bought some extra plates as well with the Bambu Labs. So there you go. So yeah, proof of the pudding is in the eating. There we go. Well, that's the video completed really. And just to show you that there is another set of drawers. There we go. That's two sets. Okay, they're stackable. You can please yourselves. The feet screw in to the base if you want them side by side. I prefer to just keep them side by side, so they're not screwed down or they're pretty secure. But just to show you that there are two sets of drawers. Two sets of drawers, and I want another, probably I'm going to print another 3 off, so I want 5 in total. I've got another set for some which will be taller, there for the router bits and router cutters. They'll be done in the same way, magnetic tops, magnetic inserts for downstairs, and then for upstairs is just drawers for me, bits of printed boards and various other things. So yeah, it's there, and it certainly tests the printer out. So just a little video to show that I've printed quite a few other things on it, but I wanted to do this. It's a bit of a test for the tolerances between all the printers, and it's worked out absolutely spot on. So yeah, if you like my video, thumbs up, and in the comment section please put down what you've done with your A1 or A1 Mini or the X1C, and just see how you found them. If you've got one of each, or you know, not everybody's got the 3 like me, but as I say, if you find that the tolerances are good, fantastic. So as I always say at the end of my video, you be safe, you be careful, and bye for now.